Hey folks, I'm Ian Baker and I'm here to talk to you about an expansive line of fifth wheels and travel trailers, the Sprinter Limited by Keystone. Once I'm done, I'm confident you'll be able to find a Sprinter Limited you'll love to take on your outdoor camping adventures. There are a ton of floor plans, so what I'll do is go through them one version at a time. First up, the Sprinter Limited travel trailers. Sprinter travel trailers are a pretty tight bunch regarding size. In length, they run from just over 36.5 feet up to just under 39 feet. In unloaded weight, they go from just under 8,800 pounds up to just over 9,300. A handful of floor plans, the Sprinter Limited has a pair with the main bedroom up front and a pair with the main bedroom in the rear. The first of the up front bedroom layouts is the 320 MLS. As a rear kitchen floor plan, it is totally centered around camp cooking. A full third of the floor plan is dedicated to the kitchen, starting with the rear wall that's all kitchen with counter space and a glass top range flanked by two pantries. There's walkable space between this part and the massive counter housing the extra large sink. Beyond the sink area is more countertop with a trio of bar stools. The fridge is actually two dual 7 cubic foot gas electric fridges sitting in a large off-camp side slide along with a pair of theater seats. The seats sit across from an opposing slide containing the entertainment center and a fireplace. A trifold sofa finishes off the living area. The bedroom has a walk-around residential queen bed and direct access to the bathroom via a pocket door. The 320 MLS can sleep up to 4. Onto the rear bedroom Sprinter Limited travel trailers. Both the 330 KBS and the 333 FKS have 3 slides and both can sleep up to 4. The 330 KBS, the front living floor plan, has a king bed on a slide to create a massive master bedroom. A pocket door allows direct access to the walk-through bathroom and can be set to create a master suite. The front living area has a pair of opposing slides. One slide contains reclining theater seats, while the side mirroring it houses the range, dual 7 cubic foot fridges, and the entertainment center. A large kitchen island, complete with bar stool, sits in the middle. Up front in the cap is a trifold sofa so you can have 4 sleepers. The 333 FKS is similar with the king bed on its own slide in the huge master bedroom, but the bathroom's position creates hallway access to the bedroom. As we enter the living area, a queen-size trifold sofa abuts the bathroom. Opposing slides create a wide-open living space dominated by the kitchen. Campside slide houses the entertainment center, fireplace, and dual fridges. Opposite slide holds theater seats and a freestanding dinette. In between, you'll find a unique kitchen island containing the range. In the front cap sits the extra-large sink, plenty of counter space, and a pair of pantries. Designed for the couple who love to entertain, the 333 FKS sleeps 4. The final Sprinter Limited travel trailer floor plan is a 341 BIK, a bunkhouse model with the bunk room holding 2 twin bunks and a sofa, with one of the bunks in the sofa on a slide. A pair of opposing slides in the main area, a campside slide pulls out the retractable TV, fireplace, and a pair of 7 cubic foot fridges. Off-camp slide contains theater seats and dinette. This creates open space to drop in a very functional kitchen island. The 341 BIK can sleep up to 7. Now on to the Sprinter Limited fifth wheel floor plans. From a length and weight perspective, they are fairly similar. In length, they run from just over 35 feet up to 40.5 feet, but most are close to 40 feet. In unloaded weight, they go from around 10,300 pounds up to nearly 11,800 pounds, but most of them will be in the 11,000 plus range. For the most part, each of these floor plans has its own twin, just not an identical twin. Let's check out the rear living floor plan ones first, and you'll understand what I'm getting at. Before we get to the twins, first up is in limited supply, the 3151 FW RLS. This rear living model sleeps 4 and has a queen-size trifold sofa on its back wall and opposing slides that open up the living area. One slide holds a full-size residential fridge and range along with the entertainment center, fireplace, and an outside kitchen. The opposing slide holds the freestanding dinette and theater seats. In the middle, you'll find a kitchen island with pantry complementing the extra-large sink and counter space. Stepping up, you'll enter the master bedroom with a king bed on a slide and a large wardrobe closet spanning the entire front cap that includes washer and dryer prep. The refrigerator is what makes the twin of each different. Every one of them has a larger fridge, a residential fridge, as opposed to a standard RV fridge. I'll explain further on the next model, the 3160 and 3161 RLS, both which can sleep up to 4. By the way, I'm going to skip the FW part of the models, for all it means is fifth wheel, and eventually, according to Keystone, the FW will not be there soon anyway. This brand new model is essentially a refresh of the 3151 in terms of layout, with the kitchen sink moved from an interior wall into a kitchen island. Regarding the fridge, the 3160 will have an 8 cubic foot one, while the 3161 will have a residential size 16 cubic foot stainless steel French door fridge with an independent inverter and battery disconnect. That's a lot of cold storage. Next up, we have the 3530 Den. The DEN stands for Den, and the 3530 Den sure has a great one. The back wall is dominated by a large entertainment center with a 50-inch TV and a fireplace. This is flanked by a pair of queen-size tri-fold sofas, each on opposing slides. A pair of theater seats finishes off the den. The kitchen off the den is impressive with a dinette, 3 bar stools, and a bench. The major kitchen appliances and large pantry sit in a slide with the extra-large sink and counter space against the wall abutting the bathroom. Up front, you'll see the bedroom with its king bed in a slide-out, large wardrobe closet, and washer-dryer prep. Its twin is the 3531 Den, and the difference once again lies in the size of the refrigerator. Another rear living floor plan is the 3560-3561 RLB. The RLB, which can sleep 6, has the nice queen-size tri-fold sofa dominating the rear wall, plus opposing slides to open up the living area for a great accommodation. One slide pulls out the fridge, range, entertainment center, fireplace, plus a set of pull-out dog bowls. Across from it sits a slide housing theater seats and a booth dinette. This all makes plenty of room for not only a large kitchen island, but an impressive L-shaped wet bar and a walk-in pantry. Up front, you'll see the king bed with a pull-down pet bed. A large wardrobe closet and additional space with washer-dryer prep dominates the front cap. The lone front living model is the 3340 FLS and its corresponding twin, the 3341 FLS. Effectively, this pair takes the 2 den models and flips them, moving the den into the front as opposed to the rear. As such, they can sleep a total of 6 as well. The king bed is on a slide in the back of the layout and sits next to the bathroom, which is now on the camp side. Sprinter Limited fifth wheels have one set of twin rear kitchen floor plans, the 3550 MLS and 3551 MLS. The 3550 is like taking the 320 MLS travel trailer and expanding into a fifth wheel format. The rear kitchen layout is nearly identical. The differences reside in the front end. Steps move you to the off-camp side to pass the bathroom on your way to a very impressive front bedroom. Opposing bedroom slides open up the bedroom. One pulls out the king bed, while the other houses the dresser and bench seating. The front cap is filled with a large wardrobe closet and washer-dryer prep. The Sprinter Limited fifth wheel line has a pair of bunkhouse floor plans. First up are the 3570 and 3571 LFT models. LFT stands for loft, and that means bunk space. This floor plan starts with the queen-size tri-fold sofa dominating the rear wall and 2 opposing slides pulling out major kitchen appliances and entertainment center / fireplace on one side and theater seats and dinette opposite. The front of this layout has the king bed on a slide and the massive wardrobe closet with washer-dryer prep. What makes this layout special lies in the middle. There you'll find a private room with a queen-size tri-fold sofa and entertainment center, plus a queen loft above it. Yes, that's a lot of sleeping spaces, 8 in total. Also allowing for plenty of people to sleep, 7 in fact, is the 3620-3621 LBH. This model has a rear bunk room with a sliding barn door for privacy, a twin bunk and sleeper sofa in a slide with an additional twin bunk campsite. This bunk room opens up to a dramatically open living area. Opposing slides allow plenty of space for a large kitchen island with one slide housing a booth dinette and theater seats, while the other pulls out the range with pull-out dog bowls below, the fridge, a fireplace, and a 50-inch pop-up TV. The bathroom is campside and creates a nice hallway between the living area and the master bedroom. The bedroom has a ton of walk-around space due to the king bed with a pet bed being in a slide, plus the front cap is covered with wardrobe closets and washer-dryer prep. Our final floor plan is a 3610 and 3611 FKS. Unique, there is a massive kitchen in the cap with the slide containing the kitchen cabinets and counter space. The middle of this layout sits the living room. It has opposing slides. One holds the entertainment center and fireplace, the opposing one pulls out the theater seats. As with the other layouts, the king bed is embedded in its own slide. The spacious wardrobe closet opens up with barn doors. This is an ideal fifth wheel for a couple and can sleep up to 4 adults. That's it for the Keystone Sprinter Limited floor plans. Let's dig a bit deeper and focus on features both the Sprinter travel trailer and fifth wheels have in common. You'll find an 80-inch interior height, bow floor linoleum with a 7-year warranty, in-floor ducted heat, 15,000 BTU ducted AC, central command center for monitoring everything from tank levels to slide outs, and a slew of more camping conveniences. Regarding entertainment, a Keystone Sprinter Limited has a ton of standard goodies, including soundbar entertainment system with Bluetooth, front-facing quick HDMI hookup, and a living area HD LED TV. The kitchen is a sheer delight. Discover industry-best features such as 22-inch drawers with full extension ball-bearing drawer guides depending upon the model, solid surface countertops, large stainless steel sink with pull-down sprayer faucet, stainless steel appliances including the 16 cubic foot French door fridge for certain fifth wheels, and much more. As far as the bedroom and bathroom, the Sprinter Limited line is equipped with bathroom opulence such as a stainless steel vanity sink, skylight over tub and shower, and much more. The master bedroom includes luxuries like Shaw high-grade carpet, ample closet storage, and electrical outlets near the bed. On the exterior, you'll find electric stabilization jacks, aluminum wheels, electric awning with LED light strip, among many other assets. The Sprinter Limited, regardless of whether you're talking travel trailer or fifth wheel, has a lot going for it to keep you camping comfortable. Regarding construction, you'll find 2-inch laminated aluminum framed sidewalls, screwed cabinetry with lumber core styles, tough guard painted skirt metal, and oversized windows. The Keystone Sprinter line of travel trailer and fifth wheels give you plenty of floor plan options to take a good look at as you're making your RV decision. With the Sprinter, you can't go wrong, as Sprinter is Keystone's camping made easy line, combining wide body construction with standout features.